Brownie cake is one of the most popular chocolate desserts around the world. Its rich chocolate flavor, soft texture, and sweet taste make it difficult to resist. But have you ever wondered whether brownie cake has any health benefits, or whether eating it regularly can cause problems? Brownie cake is usually made with ingredients such as flour, cocoa powder or chocolate, sugar, butter or oil, eggs, and sometimes milk, nuts, or cream. Because of these ingredients, brownies can provide energy and a small amount of nutrients, but they can also be high in calories, added sugar, and fat. In this video, we'll explore the possible benefits of brownie cake, its side effects, who should be careful, and how to enjoy it in a healthier way. 1. Provides quick energy. One of the main benefits of brownie cake is that it can provide quick energy. The sugar and carbohydrates in brownies are broken down by the body and used as fuel. This can temporarily increase energy, especially when you're feeling tired or hungry. However, this energy boost may not last very long. After eating a food high in added sugar, blood glucose can rise quickly and then fall. This may leave you feeling hungry or tired again, so, brownie cake can provide quick energy, but it shouldn't be considered a replacement for nutritious foods such as fruits, whole grains, vegetables, or protein-rich foods. 2. Cocoa contains antioxidants. Another potential benefit comes from cocoa. Cocoa naturally contains compounds called flavonols, which have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress. However, not every brownie provides the same amount of cocoa flavonols. Some brownies contain relatively little cocoa and large amounts of sugar and butter. Also, processing can affect the amount of beneficial compounds in cocoa. So, while cocoa itself can be nutritious, we shouldn't assume that eating large amounts of brownie cake provides the same benefits as consuming minimally processed cocoa. 3. May improve mood. Chocolate desserts are often associated with feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. Eating a small amount of chocolate can be enjoyable and may temporarily improve mood. Chocolate also contains compounds such as theobromine and small amounts of caffeine, but the biggest reason you may feel good after eating brownie cake may simply be the enjoyable taste and experience of eating a favorite dessert. It's important not to use sugary desserts as the primary way of dealing with stress or negative emotions. 4. Can provide some minerals. Cocoa contains small amounts of minerals such as magnesium, iron, copper, and manganese. If brownies contain nuts, they may also provide additional nutrients, including magnesium, protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Eggs can contribute protein and several vitamins and minerals as well. However, brownie cake should still be considered a dessert rather than a major source of essential nutrients. For better nutrition, your everyday diet should focus on vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and other minimally processed foods. 5. Can be a satisfying treat. Food isn't only about nutrition. Enjoyment also matters. Having a small piece of brownie cake occasionally can satisfy a sweet craving and allow you to enjoy dessert without completely avoiding your favorite foods. A balanced approach is usually more sustainable than thinking that certain foods must always be completely forbidden. The key is portion size and frequency. Instead of eating several large pieces, enjoying one small serving slowly can make the dessert more satisfying. Side effects of eating too much brownie cake. Now let's look at the possible disadvantages. 6. May contribute to weight gain. Traditional brownie cake can be high in calories because it often contains sugar, butter, oil, chocolate, and flour. Eating high-calorie desserts frequently, especially in large portions, can contribute to excess calorie intake and eventually weight gain. This doesn't mean that eating one brownie will cause weight gain. The bigger concern is regularly consuming large portions while getting more calories than your body needs. 7. May raise blood sugar. Most traditional brownies contain significant amounts of added sugar and refined carbohydrates. These ingredients can cause blood glucose levels to rise after eating. For healthy people, the body normally responds by producing insulin to help manage blood glucose. But people with diabetes or other blood sugar concerns need to be particularly careful about portion sizes and the total amount of carbohydrates and added sugar in their diet. If you have diabetes, follow the dietary advice provided by your healthcare professional. 8 may be high in saturated fat, butter, chocolate, cream, and some other brownie ingredients can make brownie cake relatively high in saturated fat. Eating too much saturated fat over time can contribute to higher LDL cholesterol in some people. For heart health, it's generally better to limit foods that are high in saturated fat and choose more unsaturated fats from foods such as nuts, seeds, and certain plant oils. 9 may affect dental health. Brownie cake contains sugar, and frequent consumption of sugary foods can increase the risk of tooth decay. When sugar remains on the teeth, oral bacteria can produce acids that contribute to damage to tooth enamel. A practical approach is to enjoy sugary desserts occasionally. Maintain good oral hygiene and avoid constantly snacking on sugary foods throughout the day. 10 may cause digestive discomfort. Some people may experience bloating, stomach discomfort, or other digestive symptoms after eating brownie cake. This can depend on the ingredients and the individual. For example, brownies containing large amounts of butter or dairy may be difficult for people with lactose intolerance or sensitivity to certain ingredients. Brownies containing wheat may also be unsuitable for people with celiac disease or certain wheat-related conditions. 11 may trigger heartburn. Chocolate and high-fat foods can trigger or worsen heartburn or reflux symptoms in some individuals. If you regularly experience heartburn after eating chocolate desserts, you may want to reduce your portion size and avoid eating them close to bedtime. Persistent or severe reflux symptoms should be discussed with a healthcare professional. 12 allergies are possible. Brownie cake can contain several common allergens, depending on the recipe. These may include wheat, milk, eggs, soy, peanuts, tree nuts. People with food allergies should carefully check the ingredients before eating brownies, especially commercially prepared products. How to make brownie cake healthier? If you love brownies, you don't necessarily need to eliminate them from your diet. You can make a healthier version by making a few changes. Use less added sugar. Reducing the amount of added sugar can lower the overall sugar content. Choose unsweetened cocoa. Unsweetened cocoa powder can provide a rich chocolate flavor without adding the large amount of sugar found in some sweetened chocolate products. Add nuts, walnuts, almonds, or other nuts can add protein, fiber, minerals, and unsaturated fats. Add fruit, mashed banana, applesauce, or berries can add natural sweetness and flavor, depending on the recipe. Control portion size. This may be the simplest strategy of all. Instead of eating a large piece, choose a smaller serving and enjoy it slowly. Who should be careful? People who have diabetes, high cholesterol, difficulty managing their weight, food allergies, or acid reflux may need to pay particular attention to brownie cake portions and ingredients. That doesn't necessarily mean everyone with these conditions must completely avoid brownies. Dietary needs vary from person to person, so individualized advice from a qualified healthcare professional is best. So, is brownie cake healthy or unhealthy? The answer is it depends on the ingredients, portion size, and how often you eat it. Brownie cake can provide carbohydrates for energy, and cocoa may provide antioxidant compounds and some minerals. Nuts and other nutritious ingredients can improve the nutritional value of a recipe. However, traditional brownies can also be high in added sugar, calories, and saturated fat. Eating them frequently or in large portions may contribute to weight gain, blood sugar problems, dental problems, and other concerns. The best approach is moderation. Enjoy brownie cake as an occasional treat rather than treating it as a health food. Choose a smaller portion, consider recipes with less added sugar and more nutritious ingredients, and maintain an overall balanced diet. Remember, one dessert doesn't determine your health. Your overall eating pattern matters most. Get to know many useful information like this? Please subscribe this channel. Like and share this video. Thank you.